Understanding dividend payments. A simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common financial term, dividend payments. Whether you're interested in finance, or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will break down the concept in a simple and easy to understand way. So, let's dive in and demystify what dividend payments are all about. A dividend is a portion of a company's earnings that is paid to shareholders. Think of it like a reward given to investors for putting their money into the company. Companies that earn profits may decide to distribute a part of these profits to their shareholders, and this distribution is known as a dividend. It's important to note that not all companies pay dividends. It's a decision made by the company's board of directors. Dividend payments are typically made on a regular basis, like quarterly or annually. The amount paid is usually determined by the company's profitability and its dividend policy. When a company declares a dividend, they will also announce a record date and a payment date. The record date is the cutoff for determining which shareholders are eligible to receive the dividend, and the payment date is when the dividend is actually paid out. There are mainly two types of dividends: cash dividends and stock dividends. Cash dividends are just as they sound, payments made in cash to shareholders. Stock dividends, on the other hand, involve the distribution of additional shares of the company to shareholders, instead of cash. Dividends are significant for investors as they provide a source of regular income. They can be particularly appealing to those looking for steady earnings, like retirees. Moreover, dividends are often seen as a sign of a company's financial health and stability, making them an essential factor in investment decisions. And that wraps up our discussion on dividend payments. We hope this video has shed light on what dividends are and how they work in the world of finance. Whether you're an aspiring investor or just curious about financial terms, understanding dividends is a valuable part of learning English. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Remember, keep learning and expanding your horizons. See you in the next video.